All right, what I'll be testing out today is Verizon's 5G home internet service. You have an option where you can go to your nearest Verizon store and pick it up when you sign up online, or you can simply just let it ship it out and you get it in a couple days. All right, before I check out the device and check out the service, this is what I want to show you guys. When you go to the store and pick up the device, it comes with a 100 ready for recycle bag. And also, the device comes in this nice gray box, which is also recyclable as well. Very nice looking box, all gray with the Verizon logo and all of that stuff. So what I'm going to do right now, before I take this device out the box and set it up, I'm going to show you the process how to get your Verizon Internet Gateway from Verizon for home internet services. To sign up for the service, you have to go on Verizon.com, and then you're going to enter your street address right here in this box, and then next you're going to click check availability, or you can click choose my location. Either method you choose is going to search to see if the service is available in your area. And once you put in information, screen's going to pop up either saying congratulations, the service is available in the area, or no. And right here on the page at this present moment, they got this promotion going on right now. You can get the Nintendo Switch system on them, or you can get a $200 gift card to the Home Depot on them. This requires for you to have the service with them for over 6 months, and you have auto pay set up. So let's go further down on the screen right here. The screen is going to show you the internet packages that's available. So this is it right here. They got two plans. They got a 5G home and a 5G home plus. With the 5G home, you're going to get high speed download, and you can stream you can stream HD 1080p video streaming. You get a wireless router included, and the price, you get a 2-year price guarantee. This is the $35 plan right here a month. This is if you're a Verizon customer, you get that price. With auto pay. This is with tax included. No hidden fees and nothing. So, all right, and then right here you can see right here as well. For this price right here is for if you're not a Verizon customer. This is for new customers only. But if you decide you want to transfer your mobile services over to Verizon, become a member, then you can get the $35 plan. And this right here is the next plan they have, the 5G Home Plus. With the 5G Home Plus, as a Verizon customer, you can get it for $45 a month. If you're not a customer, you're going to pay $8 a month. So this is what you're going to get if you select the 5G Home Plus service. You're getting high-speed downloads. You can stream Ultra HD 4K video streaming, router and whole home Wi-Fi included. You get a 3-year price guaranteed, Verizon Cloud, and you get one premium extra on us. The premium is going to be either, as I showed you earlier, it's going to be either the Nintendo Switch or the Home Depot. But that's going to be after the probation period is ended. And this is what they also say right here. Get up to $500 credit to help cover any early termination fees when you switch. Enjoy your 30-day money-back guarantee. If so, you aren't completely satisfied with giving money back. So that's if you switch over from your previous internet provider, you can cancel within 30 days. And when you sign up, they're going to do a soft credit check. So if you have to put some money down, you get it back. And some people get lucky, you may have to put no money down to get it. So that's one thing you should bear in mind. So that's pretty much it right here. So that's the new previous promotion. The new promotion going on right now is this: either Nintendo Switch or Home Depot. The choice is yours. And that's pretty much all the information right here in the page. So they're gonna see if there's anything else here that I'm missing before I move on to the next page. No, that's pretty much it. And also, when you already put in the information and set up for service, you must download the app, the My Verizon app. Once you download this app and set it up, that's when you're gonna get to set up your device from your phone, set up the Wi-Fi on the phone. But bear this in mind: when you pick up the box, in order you're gonna when you download the app and try to sign up on the app, it's not gonna recognize it for some reason. That's my experience. So just letting you know. Once you get the box, and then you can go into the app, then you can set up the information just like you did on the screen right here in the app, so you can get access to your box. Get access to your app, so you can get to do the setup and customization through the app. That's the only way it's going to recognize it. So anyhow, let me close this screen right here, and let's go ahead with the unboxing and setup of the 5G home internet service from Verizon. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby right here. So on the front of the box, it tells you Verizon Internet Gateway, and what else on the back? It says this box is 100% ready for recycle. So all those environmental people, this box can be recycled. So don't worry about it. Wi-Fi 6, Verizon, boom. All right, that's all. So let's go ahead and get this out the box. See what we're working with right here. So right out the box, this device is right here, the nice Wi-Fi box, nice and simple. You have Ethernet ports, so you can connect it, Ethernet cable, and connect it to your PC or whatever uses Ethernet. All right, cool, easy as that. What's next? In the box, what we get? We got some paperwork right here for installation and some other information. And we got another box right here. This box holds the power brick. You're going to connect to your device. And this is an included Ethernet cable that comes with it. So that's pretty decent. It doesn't use coaxial because what it does, it searches for the nearest Verizon tower and connect to it, and then boom, that's all you need. But according to what they say, you're gonna have to make sure that you connect it close to a window, so you can try to reach out and search and try to connect to a nearby Verizon tower. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's go ahead and power up this bad boy and see how fast it is. Right now it's pulsating white. So what it's doing is searching for the nearest tower where you can connect for 5G services. And I believe they say when it's solid white, that means it's connected. And if it's red, that means it's not connected. So I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and then I'll see what happens. Now this part of the setup is very important. As you can see, at first he had a red light, but now if you look right here in the corner, you may not see it. See a little white light? That means it's connected to the tower nearby, so it's good to go. It's all white. And the setup process, you'd have to go on your app and put in all follow the instruction on the app to set up the device, and you're good to go. So now I got solid white light. That means I'm connected. What I'm going to do right now, I'm probably going to connect to it and then do like a speed test and then conclude the video. Before I start the speed test, I just want to show you how far I am from the router. I am 35 feet away from the router based on my laser ruler right here. Now, let's go right here onto the screen. We're going to do the Ookla test from my iPhone. I connect my Android phone. I connect my Android phone to my monitor. So let's go ahead and see what we get from 35 feet away on the Verizon 5G wireless home internet service. Whoa! That's more than, whoa, look at that. Whoa, the download is faster than my Spectrum 1 gigabyte service. Dang. Impressive numbers. Impressive numbers. I'm paying a bag of money for Spectrum 1G, 1 gigabyte mobile service, and this is faster than the Spectrum the Spectrum home internet service I'm paying 1 gig of service for. This is faster than, okay, let me correct myself. I'm paying a bunch of money for Spectrum home internet service, the 1 gigabyte service, and I'm not getting this speed from Wi-Fi. And this is just from Verizon's 5G home internet service. That's crazy. From 35 feet away. This is impressive. This is impressive. Anyhow, that's all I got for you today, guys. Testing out the Verizon 5G home internet service. That's all I got for you. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I love you guys. Hope to see you in the next video.